Hello. In this video, we want to find the following. The derivative with respect to x of 3 minus 4x in parentheses times 5x plus 1 in parentheses all over 7x minus 9. Now, there are a couple of different ways of doing this one. The easiest is to go ahead and multiply everything out in the numerator and then simplify and then use the quotient rule. It really is a lot easier. Otherwise, when you're using the quotient rule, the bottom times the derivative of the top, well, then you have to use the product rule again, so it's a product rule within the quotient rule, which is not a lot of fun. So instead, what we're going to do is we're going to simplify this a little bit. So really what we want to know is what's the derivative with respect to x of in the numerator, we're going to go ahead and multiply this out. 3 times 5x is 15x. 3 times 1 is 3. Negative 4x times 5x is negative 20x. And negative 20x squared, my apologies. And negative 4x times positive 1 is negative 4x. And then notice that we want to put this in descending order. So this is d sub x of negative 20x squared. 15x minus 4x is positive 11x plus 3. And then all of that will be over 7x minus 9. Awesome. All right. Now we want to go ahead and use the quotient rule. The numerator, or the u, is going to be negative 20x squared plus 11x plus 3. And the v, or the denominator, or the bottom, will be 7x minus 9. Alrighty, so this is going to give me the bottom, 7x minus 9, times the derivative of the top, which would be negative 40x plus 11, and then minus the top, negative 20x squared, plus 11x, plus 3, and then all over, we still need to multiply by the derivative of the denominator, which is 7. And now all over the bottom squared. Ooh. Good. Alrighty. At this point, we've got a lot of multiplication to do. Multiply all this out, distribute, and then we just combine like terms. Now, multiplying out the first one, 7x times negative 40x is negative 280x squared. 7x times 11 is positive 77x. Negative 9 times negative 40x, is positive 360x. And negative 9 times positive 11 is negative 99. Awesome. So this right here was the product of that and that. And then we're going to subtract off the entire everything that we get over here. So distribute the 7 to those three terms. Negative 20x squared times 7 is negative 140x squared. 11x times 7 is positive 77x. And 3 and 7 give you 21. All over 7x minus 9 squared. Awesome. Now just distribute the negative or just combine like terms. I'm going to go ahead and distribute the negative. So it gives me negative 280x squared plus 77x plus 360x minus 99 plus 140 x squared minus 77x minus 21. Then all over 7x minus 9 squared. Awesome. And then just combine like terms. Negative 280x squared, positive 140x squared. Those two combine to give you negative 140x squared. Next, we have 77x plus 360x minus 77x. Notice that the 77 and the 77 cancel each other, and we're just left with this positive 360x. Good. And now for the last one, the 99, or negative 99 and the negative 21 give us negative 120. And then all over 7x minus 9 squared. Awesome. And there you go. That is d sub x, or the derivative with respect to x, of 3 minus 4x plus, or times 5x plus 1 all over 7x minus 9. Now, notice that this is kind of the short way of doing this one. But even with the short way, there's still a lot of work, and there are a lot of places to mess up. I actually have already done this video once, so this should be the correct answer. I've already checked it once. But notice that it's very easy to make a mistake. What I did originally, instead of using a minus sign, I got a plus sign here. And that really messed things up. So just be careful, especially if you if you mess up at the very beginning, all of that work is completely wasted. So just be careful. It's very easy to make a mistake. Alrighty. Well, I believe that's it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.